Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a delightful and healthy dessert that's perfect for any occasion. We're making Greek yogurt-filled strawberries. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 pint of fresh, large strawberries, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla, 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, if you're using plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, optional for a richer texture, a piping bag or a small plastic bag with the tip cut off, and finally, some garnishes like crushed nuts, shredded coconut, or chocolate shavings, optional. Ready? Let's get started. First, we need to wash those strawberries. Give them a good rinse under cold water and then pat them dry with a clean paper towel. Carefully remove the green tops using a paring knife. If your strawberries aren't stable when placed upright, trim a small portion off the bottom to create a flat surface. Next, we're going to hollow out the strawberries. Use a small paring knife or a melon baller to scoop out the centers and create small cavities. Be careful not to cut through the sides or the bottom. We want them to hold that delicious filling. Now let's prepare the Greek yogurt cream. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese if you're using it. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. Time to fill the piping bag. Transfer the Greek yogurt cream into a piping bag fitted with a star tip for a decorative touch. No piping bag? No problem. Use a small plastic bag and snip off one corner to create a makeshift piping tool. Now for the fun part. Pipe the Greek yogurt cream into the hollowed-out strawberries, filling them generously. Make small swirls for that elegant look. Want to take it up a notch? Add some garnishes. Sprinkle the filled strawberries with crushed nuts, shredded coconut, or chocolate shavings. You can even drizzle melted chocolate over the top for a fancier dessert. Finally, arrange the filled strawberries on a serving platter. Serve them immediately or refrigerate until you're ready to eat. These are best enjoyed fresh to preserve their texture and flavor. And there you have it. A beautiful, tasty, and nutritious dessert that's sure to impress your guests. Enjoy your Greek yogurt-filled strawberries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.